Mind Body Movement Center. Today's work in to work out is a balance movement that I use in some of my Healthy Bones classes, and the women love it. So this one, I'm going to use my lovely bookshelf as my wall again, showing that you can do your workouts wherever. You can't tell me that because you don't have a wall, you can't do this. So my standing leg is going to be my left leg, the one away from the wall. I'm going to spread my toes out so that my toes are planted. I'm going to pick my toes up, spread them out, set the pinky down, and then drag the big toe towards center. And I want to make sure that I'm close enough to the wall so that when I lift up my leg, that this hip or leg is just coming down straight from my hip. And I'm going to press that leg into the wall with my knee bent. So I'm pressing from my foot, my ankle, to my knee, to my hip, and then the last part is bringing in the arms. So I'm going to bring in the arms, and even though I'm reaching up, my shoulder blades are drawn out of my ears. And so my whole side body is pressing into this wall. And oftentimes what happens is I'll see people shift back into their heels, so they're almost into extension. So I'm going to ask you just to shift forward towards your toes or towards your midfoot, just a bit more than what might feel, so to speak, comfortable. Right, and that's it. We hold there. So pressing in, grounding through the standing leg without hyperextending the knee, and breathing. All right, and then reducing, coming down, letting the arms relax, letting the hip come down, and then shaking out the hips, or do a little fist bump if you need to. And of course, you do it on the other side. All right, that's today's work in to work out. See you next time.